Hey guys, in this part of our Savannah travel vlog, we share with you our surprise bridal tea party that we had for my friend Barbara. She had no idea that this tea party was all about her. We were celebrating her recent marriage. We weren't able to do a lot of stuff due to the pandemic, so we decided to dedicate this whole tea party to her. So she has no idea, so keep watching to see how everything turns out.
Oh, yeah, I told you that. Oh, it has to be that way.
She has arrived.
There she is.
Oh,
That's not.
sorry, lady. Now that Doreen is here, everybody can read about outside the party. Can use a
We lied to her and told her that we were all wearing white for the tea party, and none of us wore white. She was kind of upset in the beginning when none of us were wearing white, but we just pretended that our outfits didn't work out, and she ended up being the only one in white, like the bride.
South Carolina. Then a gala for sesame, and then we have our homemade biscuits, fresh cream, orange preserves, key lime tarts, macaroons, and raspberry, passion fruit, chocolate, and French confection. Y'all enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That's what I said, Larry. Was it on me? I got all that.
And I didn't say my I didn't know if the bag, like different colors, but when in our way, so we go to and so by price, yeah, that was, you guys are so deceitful. I think
We got her good.
Baba, I'm going to you.
Oh, you're
recording the camera.
Did you have a great day today?
Awesome day.
Yeah.
Awesome. Lovely.
Anytime you guys are in Savannah, if you should visit Savannah, Georgia, you guys should definitely stay at the mansion. Or if you don't stay at the mansion, you should try the tea party at the mansion.
I think you mean the tea room.
No, it's called literally. I'm a friend of tea party.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're still recording.
It is a tea party at the mansion. No, they're almost the corkscrew Bremo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you should try it out, and then you should ask for Bailey. He was great.
So, I had some pastries at the tea party, and it was lovely. My tea was lovely. The cookies were lovely. Everything just tasted so good. The butter, with the bread was like so on point. But coming back to what I was saying, everything was good. I would definitely do it again.
Accent in the show say a American say a British show.
So if you're ever in town, you should check out the mansion.
Yeah.
And you should have the mint tea. There's something that's.
I think that I had garden tea.
Garden something tea. So yeah, my tea was it was really good.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's it. Peace
so
out.
guys, don't forget, always like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Say bye.
Peace out. Peace out.
Bye. We can walk. Right? Yeah. So we can.
Yeah. Say hi to my YouTubers.
Yeah.
We are here at the Rocks on the Roof. This is a bar/lounge, and there was a bit of a long wait to get inside because they were only allowing a certain number of people there at once. So we had to wait a couple of minutes before we could go in. So this Rocks on the Roof is on the rooftop of the Bohemian Hotel in Savannah. The Bohemian Hotel is a riverfront hotel, and it's part of the Kessler collection, just like the Mansion Hotel. So you can get swanky drinks, small plates, and you can get the view of the river. So it was just a really nice and cozy place to hang out.
Later,